In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Texas. Identify the type of address, determine whether you're changing your registered office, registered agent, or principal office address. Confirm the correct form. Use form 401 for registered office or client change. And then, if it's not that, use form 424 for principal office changes. Fill out the form accurately. Use and secure all your details. Make sure your new address matches your LLC's official records. Pay the filing fees. Submit the filing fee. Typically it's around $15 for Form 401 or $150 for Form 424. Submit the form. Submit the form to a Secretary of State. Send your compiling form to mail, fax, or you can send it online through your state portal. Update other business records. Notify the IRS, the bank, vendors and more. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Texas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.